To show you how to use TinkerCAD, I'll be creating a blinking LED. So first, you go to tinkercad.com, and then you click on circuits on the left, and then create new circuit. Then I'll be naming this blinking LED. And on the right are all your electrical components. So I need a resistor, an LED, breadboard, and then an Arduino Uno. And then I'll connect ground, which is negative, to here. And then I'll connect the LED here. And then to rotate the resistor, you can click R. And then I'll connect this to pin 8. And so pin 8 will be supplying the voltage. So over this entire column is connected, so you can connect, so the cathode and terminal 2 of the resistor will be connected. And then this entire column is also connected, so terminal 1 of the resistor and this black wire here will be connected. And this row is connected, so this black wire will be connected to this wire over here, which is connected to ground. So now you have a complete circuit. So pin 8, when it's high, it will supply 5 volts. It'll go through the LED, through the resistor, through this black wire, and then all the way to ground. Now it's time to program this. So you can click on text, and this code isn't needed, so you can delete it. But I'll create a variable that's an integer, and I'll call it LED pin, and it'll be equal to 8, which corresponds to this pin right here, pin 8. And then I can write the function pin mode LED pin as output. So you're telling the Arduino that you want LED pin, which is equal to 8. So you want pin 8 to behave as an output pin, so it'll be outputting voltage. So now you can write digital write LED pin high, delay 1000, digital write LED pin low, and then delay 1000. So if I click on start simulation, the LED will turn on and off and on and off. So digital write LED pin causes pin 8 to supply 5 volts, and then the delay 1000 here pauses the program for 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. So this means that for 1 second, pin 8 will be supplying 5 volts. So the LED lights up for 1 second. After this delay right here, you have the line digital write LED pin low. So pin 8 stops supplying voltage, and then you have another delay for 1000 milliseconds. So pin 8 won't be supplying voltage for 1 second, so the LED will stay off for 1 second. And since all this code here is in void loop, this code will continuously run, so the LED will light up for 1 second, turn off for 1 second, light up for 1 second, and this will repeat. And if you change the delay to 500 instead of 1000, you'll see that it'll be blinking faster because it'll only stay on for 500 milliseconds and stay off for 500 milliseconds.